The Formula One hybrid power unit is built around a simple idea with complicated consequences. It must make a car faster, use fuel carefully, and recover energy that would otherwise be wasted. On the surface, it is an engine. In practice, it is a coordinated system of combustion, electricity, heat, and control. At its center is the internal combustion engine. In modern Formula One, this is a 1.6-liter turbocharged V6. The turbo compresses incoming air, allowing more fuel to burn and more power to be produced from a small engine. The driver hears the sharp, controlled roar, but inside the unit there is a constant struggle between power, temperature, and efficiency. Attached to the engine is the turbocharger, which has two main sides. One side is driven by exhaust gases leaving the engine. The other side compresses fresh air going in. This creates a problem and an opportunity. The turbo can build strong power, but it can also create lag when the driver presses the throttle. Formula One engineers answered this by linking electricity to the turbo system. The first major recovery device is the MGU-K, the motor generator unit connected to the crankshaft. During braking, it acts like a generator and captures kinetic energy that would normally become heat in the brakes. That energy is stored in the battery and can later be used to give the car extra acceleration. During deployment, the same device works like a motor and adds torque directly to the drivetrain. It is one of the reasons an F1 car can leap out of corners with such urgency. The second recovery device is the MGU-H, which is attached to the turbo system. It harvests energy from the exhaust flow and can also use electricity to spin the turbo faster. This is the hidden trick that reduces lag. When the driver opens the throttle, the turbo does not have to wait passively for exhaust pressure to build. The MGU-H can help keep it ready so power arrives sooner and more smoothly. The battery sits at the center of the hybrid system as an energy reservoir and control hub. It does not simply store power like a phone battery. It must charge and discharge rapidly, survive extreme temperatures, and coordinate with the rest of the power unit in real time. A lap is a sequence of decisions. When should energy be harvested? When should it be deployed? How much can be used without compromising the next corner or the next straight? All of this is managed by software and electronics that balance performance with reliability.